Good morning, dear students. We'll see the examples based on Bessel function. In the previous class, we have seen the example of j half of x. Now we'll see the problem based on j of minus half of x is equal to square root of 2 upon pi x into cos x. Solution. We know that j n of x is equal to minus summation r from 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to r x upon 2 n plus 2r into 1 upon gamma of n plus r plus 1 into r factorial. This will give equation number 1. Now putting, because we need a result of j of minus half, putting n is equal to minus 1 by 2 in equation 1, we have j of n will be replaced by j of minus 1 by 2 of x is equal to summation r from 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to r x by 2 raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 2r 1 upon gamma of minus 1 upon 2 plus r plus 1 into r factorial. So which is nothing but, on simplification, summation r from 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to r. So I will separate it. It will become x upon 2 raised to minus 1 by 2 into x upon 2 raised to 2r into 1 upon gamma of, so minus 1 by 2 plus 1, it will become r plus 1 by 2 into r factorial. Now this x upon 2 raised to minus 1 by 2 can be written as, you reverse it because of minus, it will become 2 upon r raised to 1 by 2. So I will write it is square root of 2 upon x into summation r from 0 to infinity. Okay, this x upon 2 raised to minus is there, you make it plus, means it will become 2 upon x. So 2 upon x raised to 1 by 2 will become a square root of 2 upon x. So this summation r from 0 to infinity minus 1 raised to r x upon 2 raised to 2r 1 upon gamma of r plus 1 by 2 into r factorial, which is nothing but, on simplification, here we need to simplify by putting r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So square root of 2 upon x as it is, bracket, when r is 0, so this term will become out here 1 upon gamma of 1 upon 2, because minus 1 raised to 0 is 1, x upon 2 raised to 0 is 1, r is 0, means gamma of 1 by 2, 0 factorial is what here 1, so therefore 1 by 2, gamma of 1 by 2. Next, when r is 1, minus 1 raised to 1 is minus sign will get, so x upon 2 raised to 2, because r is 1, so here 1 plus 1 by 2 will become gamma of 3 by 2 into 1 factorial. Similarly, when r is equal to 2, the term will become x upon 2 raised to 4, because 2 2s are 4, 1 upon gamma of so when it is r is equal to 2, so 2 plus 1 by 2, it will become 5 by 2 into 2 factorial minus so. So on simplification, so as we know that the values of gamma of 1 by 2, gamma of 3 by 2, gamma of 5 by 2, so I will rewrite. So gamma of 1 by 2 we have is nothing but square root of pi. Gamma of 3 by 2 is root pi upon 2. Gamma of 5 by 2 is equal to, it is 3 root pi upon 4, and so on. So we'll apply these values in the above expression. We'll get as j of minus 1 by 2 of x is will become what here, when you apply square root of 2 upon x will be as it is, bracket 1 upon gamma of half is nothing but root pi, so it will become 1 upon root of pi minus sign x upon 2 whole square will become x square upon 4 into 1 upon gamma of root 3 by 2 will become 2 upon root pi into 1 factorial is 1, plus x by 2 whole raised to 4 will become x raised to 4 upon 2 square will be 16 into 1 upon gamma of 5 by 2 will become, if you make it reverse because it is in denominator, it will become 4 upon 3 root pi into 2 factorial will be 2 minus so on. So therefore, so on simplification, square root of 2 upon x will take again common as what here, 1 upon root pi. I will take common, left inside is 1 minus, so 2 ones are 2 2s are, so it will be x square upon 2 left, 4 ones are 4 4s are, so which is nothing but plus x raised to 4 upon 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. Next expected sign is minus so on, so which is nothing but square root of 2 upon this 1 upon pi, you merge here, it will become pi x 1 minus x square upon 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 upon 24 can be written as what here, 4 factorial minus so on. So therefore j of minus 1 by 2 of x will become square root of 2 upon pi x. This complete result is a series solution of cos x. So in this way the result is going to be work out here. So hence the results here.